What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name's Curtis, and today we're out here with my father-in-law out here, and my wife's cousin. We're out here on Broken Arrow Trail. We're gonna show them a little Sedona experience. We're doing Broken Arrow, and it's gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna let them drive, and I'll be filming, so it'll be a fun little trail, and show them how Arizona's done. Yeah, he did a good job. Yeah.
That's right, dude. You know what? It's a lot more. The camera just can't pick up the angles.
Dude, I know. It makes it look way too easy.
Yeah.
We got Submarine Rock over here. We could have drove up here too, but oh well. Yeah. Submarine Rock. Boom. Nice and slow. Flip it that way. Keep it coming. Alright, we're gonna crawl this slowly. Very slowly, slowly. Yep. Slowly, slowly.
Oh my God.
Slowly. Alright, now stop right there.
What?
Go a little passenger, passenger. Nice and slow, passenger. Alright, keep it coming. Little driver, little driver. Little driver. Little driver. Kind of follow the line, little driver, driver, more driver. All the way driver. Alright, good, good. Alright. Now slow down this little hill. Straight. Straight. Yep. Sick. If you want to park here, you can look at the nipple if you want. Yeah? You can park right there if you want. Yeah.
The Louis Bear.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh. We're gonna dodge this rock right here and just go straight up that guy right there.
Crawl?
Crawl up it, yeah. Yep.
And up that way?
Yep. You go left once you get to the top. Because I'm gonna come back down and do this little guy. I got it going right now. Yep. It's nice and slow. Yeah. That's it right there. Yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Billy said, hold my beer. Alright, so I'm gonna back up and then go up.
Shit. I don't think that's a good idea. Oh shit. I don't know about that. That's some pretty gnarly shit. King of the hill.
Passenger. Alright, straight. Straight. Alright. Yep. All right, straight. You good? You good? Little break, little break. You good? All right. Crank it. All right. You go a little that way. Yeah. All right. Let me resituate real quick. All right, everybody, we're like halfway done. Anna's been driving, and we have a Jeep Cherokee, has to turn around on Broken Arrow, Hell's Gate, or the Hell's Staircase, or Double Staircase. Probably not a good idea to take that thing down. But then we got this Ford Raptor Ranger who kind of fucking bitched out. Doesn't want to do the Double Staircase. Well, we got fucking the ZR2 out here doing it, but they're leaving. Pink Jeep coming, so we're gonna have to wait around a little bit until they figure all this shit out. But it's been a fun time. Anna's been wheeling it. Billy Boy hit it a couple times. You having fun?
Having fun.
Having fun. All right, sick. Get it, boy, get it. Get it, boy, get it.
Let's go.
Yeah.
No, let's see, this guy's a rookie too because he's got a brand new truck. Doesn't even have plates on it.
That's how my black truck was.
The Raptor.
The Wapta. He got the Wapta. The Ford Wapta.
Yeah.
One last one. Guys, we made it to the Devil Staircase. It looks a lot shadier than last time, so let's try it out. All right, everybody, we're airing up the truck right now. Overall, the trail was pretty sweet with the 37s and the AEV Highmark Fender Flares. I'll show you guys what I'm rubbing on right now. So, the only place I'm rubbing, really, is a little bit on this side because where my truck's leaning. I do come up against that because the rear Fender Flares do not rub whatsoever. So, that's cool. So, rubbing right there and there. That's about it. Then up front, we're rubbing on the very tip of the tube right here. You can hear that, just barely. Nothing on the inside well right there, so that's cool. But overall, with the AEV Highmark Fender Flares, she does great. Only rubs in those couple little spots that I need to figure out, but enough for it not to rub the fender flare off. And love the performance of the 37s. Everything was pretty dang easy except that first little obstacle. I don't know if I need to heat up the tires a little bit to get them to grip, but she did good. And shout out to Bill for filming, and Anna, my fiance's cousin, off-roaded a bunch while I filmed also, so it was a fun time. First time kind of off-roading on stuff like this, and I think we had a great time out here in Sedona. And that's about it for this week's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that hype button, and follow more for more 37 Colorado content. Appreciate it, guys. Love you. Bye.